Hey guys, this is Programming Practices channel. So we are going to create a program for count the number of words and character excluding spaces, the number of the vowels on each occurrence and the count spaces. So same program we made on last video with different logic. So we are going to create same program here with optimize my lines. So we are going to start. First we'll create a new Python file. So this environment I am using 3.6 version Python ideally. So you can use anyone. So this is our editor window. We are going to create program here. We will create a variable sentence which take input from the user. Then we'll create another variable called vowel, which is store the list of the vowel characters. So we have the vowel character A, E, I, O, and U. Now we are going to find the length of the sentence. So we are going to use the length functions applying on this sentence variable. So it will return the total number of the characters. So we are going to store in the length of the sentence variable. Now we have to find the word count and space count, character count, vowel count. These are we have to find. So first we are going to count the words. So we are going to use the split function, which is apply on the sentence variable, which will return the words separated by the space in the form of the list. That list we have to count. So we will just use the variable as a variable, and using the function length it will return the count of the character which are stored in the list. Now we are going to find out the space. So for this space we are going to use the count functions, and that count function will take a parameter, character parameter. So we are passing the character parameter as a space and applying on the sentence string sentence called sentence variable, which hold the strings. So what it will do, it will just count the all the space character from the sentence and will store in the space count variable. So now we are going to count the character count variable. So already we have the length of the sentence, and we have the space count. So we are going to minus the space count from the length of the sentence, so it gives the character count. Now we are going to find the vowels count. For that we are using the for loop. For I in the sentence, and what this for loop will do, will it will just take a character from the sentence, and that character we have to check whether it is uh, vowels or not. So we have the vowels list A, E, I, O, U. So we have to just check whether this character it is belong to the vowels or not. So for that, first we'll the convert into the lowercase that character from this sentence, and then we'll verify whether it is available in vowel list or not. If it is available, if it is available, just return that character. Okay, and then find the length. This is the final. Okay, so this is the optimized way to find out the word count, space count, and character count, and also vowel count. So we are going to just display those details. First we'll display the sentence, and then print the words count from the words count variable, then print the space count from space count variable, then print character character count from char count variable, and last one vowel count from the sentence variable. So we are going to use the vowel count variable. So this is done. We are just going to save this file. Save on the desktop. Count program. Now I'm going to run this. So we got the one error. We missed here comma. Save it again. Okay. Now just I'm going to type Python programming is very easy to learn. So we got one error, split function. We missed split function. So we are going to save this program and going to run this from the menu. So now I'm going to type Python programming is very easy to learn. So here you can see there are 7 words and 6 spaces, and number of character count is 35. So you can see our result. So thanks for watching this video.